Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your corporate event planning agency. If you run a corporate event planning agency, then manually submitting all the requests and updates can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for event planning agency, and before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general hi, and immediately our chatbot responds with "Welcome to Elite Corp Events. We plan memorable corporate experiences from meetings to mega launches." And it has provided us 3 options, so I'm going to select the first one that says requirements. And it is asking me for type of event, so I'm going to respond with launch of new product. Next, it is asking for company name, so I'm going to send a demo response as ABC brand. Now it is asking for preferred date, so I'm going to send my preferred date as this. And it responds us with your requirements have been received as launch of new product, ABC brand, and this given date, thank you. So next I'm going to select the second response that says request a quote. And it responds us with based on typical events, here's a quick range. And it has provided us with all the ranges such as small meeting setup, corporate seminar, and product launch / gala. Next, I'm going to select the last option that says track my event. And it says click below to track event, and it has provided us with a dummy tracking link. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for corporate event planning agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled, so I have renamed it to WhatsApp Chatbot for your corporate event planning agency. On the screen, there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Now we have to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this, and here I'm going to add little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and it will appear like this to the user. Now with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply options. So here I've added all the quick reply options. Now we have to curate a response for each one. So let's begin with requirements. And for this, I have to access the action type nodes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here we are going to take details one by one. So here I've added this message and I've asked for type of event. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select name and as format, I'm going to select any and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box and then I'm going to create another question. And here I'm going to ask for company name. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select add and as format, I'm going to select any and link it to the question box. And then lastly, I'm going to create another question. I'm going to put it here, link it to the previous question box and here I'm going to add preferred date. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select date and as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to create a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add this message which will look like this to the user and here I've added $name, $add and $date because these were our contact custom fields and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual details sent by the user. Next, I'm going to move on to the second quick reply option that says request a code and for this I'm going to access the text button and here I'm going to add all the details like this. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for track my event with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add tracking link which will appear like this to the user and this is how we have created a WhatsApp chatbot for corporate event planning agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure and once you have created your chatbot, you can save it from here and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.